Dear students, in this session, we'll discuss about NCERT Class 12, Chapter 2, Inverse Trigonometric Functions. Here we'll discuss about problems on inverse trigonometric functions. From exercise 2.1. Find the principal values of the following. We need to find the principal value of sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So, let me take this given function as y. So, y is equal to sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So, this sign if we bring here, it will become sine y is equal to minus 1 by 2. In which sine function we will get this 1 by 2 value we have to identify. So, sine 30 become 1 by 2. So, sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. So, this can be written as sine pi by 6. So, sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2. But we have to get minus 1 by 2. So, take minus on both sides. So, minus sine pi by 6 is minus 1 by 2. If you bring minus sine theta equal to sine of minus theta. That means sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta. This we know very well. So, let me substitute here. So, minus sine pi by 6 equal to sine of minus pi by 6. This is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So, here what we have, sine y equal to minus 1 by 2. So, this y is nothing but pi by 6. The value of y is pi by 6. So, that sine of minus pi by 6 is minus pi by 2. Minus 1 by 2. So, sine of minus pi by 6 is minus 1 by 2. If we bring sine to the right hand side, minus pi by 6 is sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So, the principal value of the sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 is minus pi by 6. We know the principal value branch of sine inverse function is in between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. This is the principal value branch of sine inverse function. Here for this given specific value will be the principal value of this given value minus 1 by 2 is minus pi by 6. So, the sine inverse function, sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 will occur at minus pi by 6. So, the principal value of sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 is minus pi by 6. Next question. So, cos inverse of root 3 by 2. So, the given function, let me take it as y. So, y is equal to cos inverse of root 3 by 2. So, if we bring here cos y equal to root 3 by 2. So, for which value of cos we will get root 3 by 2 we have to arrive. So, for 30 degree, okay, we will get root 3 by 2. So, 30 degree is nothing but pi by 6. So, cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. Pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. Pi by 6 is nothing but 30 degree. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. So, it is nothing but cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. It is positive only. So, we can substitute directly. So, that cos pi by 6 in place of y, pi by 6. So, cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. This cos if we bring here, pi by 6 equal to cos inverse of root 3 by 2. So, the principal value of cos inverse of root 3 by 2 is pi by 6. The principal value branch for cos inverse function will be, it is ranging from 0 to pi. So, cos value, principal value branch of cos inverse function will be from 0 to pi, but the function at this point root 3 by 2 will be positive plus pi by 6. It is exactly at pi by 6. Next one, cosecant inverse of 2. So, let me take this as y. So, y is equal to cosecant inverse of 2. If we bring here, cosecant y is equal to 2. So, for which value of cosecant we will get 2 we have to identify. So, sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. It is nothing but sin pi by 6. So, sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. If we take the reciprocal, it will become cosecant. So, cosecant pi by 6 is 2. Cosecant pi by 6 is nothing but 2. So, this value exactly at cosecant pi by 6. So, cosecant pi by 6 is 2. This cosecant, if you bring this side, it will become pi by 6 equal to cosecant inverse of 2. So, the principal value of cosecant inverse of 2 is pi by 6. The principal value branch of the general form of the principal value branch of cosecant inverse function will be, it is from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 except at the point 0. So, at that point 0, cosecant inverse, graph of cosecant inverse will not exist. If you want to see, if you want to learn this, watch from video 1 to 5 for getting the graph and this principal value branches. For understanding about this, watch the video, the part 1 to 5. Next question. Tan inverse of minus root 3. So, tan, the given function, let me take it as here, y or x. So, y is equal to tan inverse of minus root 3. Tan inverse of minus root 3. This tan, if you bring here, tan y is equal to minus root 3. At for which value the tan function will get root 3. So, at 60 degree, tan 60 degree is root 3. It is nothing but tan pi by 3. So, tan pi by 3 is root 3. We want to get minus root 3. So, take minus on both sides. So, tan of minus pi by 3 is tan minus pi by 3. So, tan of minus pi by 3 is tan minus pi by 3. So, let me substitute here. Tan of minus pi by 3 equal to minus root 3. So, this in for minus root 3, the tan function will be at minus pi by 3. So, tan minus pi by 3 is minus root 3. If we bring tan to the right hand side, so minus pi by 3 is tan inverse of minus root 3. So, the principal value of tan inverse of minus root 3 is minus pi by 3. The general principal value branch will be minus pi by 2 to. Okay. So, now we will move to next problem. So, next cosecant inverse of 1 minus 1 by 2. Next question. So, sorry, cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. So, this we consider it as y. So, y is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. If you bring cos to the left hand side, it will become cos y equal to minus 1 by 2. So, for which value, for which function at cos function we will get minus, we will get 1 by 2 for cos, it will be at pi by 3. It is nothing but 60 degree. So, cos 60 degree is 1 by 2. It will become cos pi by 3. So cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. We have to get minus. So take a minus on both the side. So cos of minus pi by 3 is equal to cos of pi minus pi by 3. Cos of pi minus pi by 3. 180 minus theta. Cos of minus cos theta equal to cos of 180 minus theta. That only we are writing cos of pi minus pi by 3. It is equal to minus 1 by 2. This can be written as, if we take LCM, 3 pi minus pi become 2 pi. So cos 2 pi by 3 is minus 1 by 2. So this function at y will be, the point y-axis point will be 2 pi by 3. So cos 2 pi by 3 is minus 1 by 2. If you bring cos to the right hand side, 2 pi by 3 is cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. So the principal value of cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is 2 pi by 3. The whole principal value branch of cos inverse function will be from 0 to pi. Next question. Sixth one. Tan inverse of minus 1. So the given function, let me take it as y. So y is equal to tan inverse of minus 1. It will become tan y is equal to minus 1. So first we'll take 1 itself. So at 45 degree, tan 45 degree is 1. So tan 45 degree is 1. This 45 degree is nothing but pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 is 1. We want to get minus 1. So take minus on both the side. So minus tan pi by 4 is minus 1. So this tan of minus theta equal to minus tan theta. So instead of minus tan theta, we can write as tan of minus theta. So tan of minus pi by 4 is minus 1. If you bring tan to the right hand side, it will become minus pi by 4 is tan inverse of minus 1. And the principal value branch will be, for the tan inverse function, it is from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Next question. Secant inverse of 2 by root 3. Let me take it as y. So that y is equal to, let me take it as y. So y is equal to secant inverse of 2 by root 3. So here, if we bring secant to the left hand side, secant y is equal to 2 by root 3. So for which secant value we'll get 2 by root 3, we have to identify. Secant is nothing but inverse of cos function. So cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2. So secant pi by 6 is 2 by root 3. Inverse will be 2 by root 3. So it is pi by 6. Okay. So secant pi by 6 is 2 by root 3. So that pi by 6 is equal to secant inverse of 2 by root 3. So the principal value of secant inverse of 2 by root 3 is pi by 6. Anyway, its principal value branch will be, principal value branch of secant inverse function will be from 0 to pi, excluding the point in between pi by 2. So secant inverse, the principal value of secant inverse of 2 by 3 is 2 by root 3 is pi by 6. Next, cot inverse of root 3. So let me take it as y. So y is equal to cot inverse of root 3. So that if we bring cot to the left hand side, so cot y is equal to root 3. It is positive only. So cot is inverse of tan. Tan root 3 is nothing but tan 60 degrees root 3. That is tan pi by 3. Tan pi by 3 is 1 by root 3. So cot pi by 3 is root 3. So cot pi by 3 is root 3. So pi by 3 become cot inverse of root 3. So the principal value of cot inverse of root 3 is pi by 3. The principal value branch of this cot inverse function is in between 0 to pi. Next question. So cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2. What is cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2? So for this, first we will take, consider it as y. So y is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2. If you bring cos to the left hand side, cos y is equal to minus 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2, for which cos function will get 1 by root 2, we have to identify. It is nothing but 45 degree. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So cos 45 become pi by 4. So cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. We need to get negative. So we have to take negative sign on both sides. Cos of minus cos theta equal to cos of 180 minus theta. Cos of 180 minus theta equal to minus cos theta. So it will become cos of pi minus pi by 4. So minus cos pi by 4 equal to cos of pi minus pi by 4 equal to minus 1 by root 2. So if we take LCM here, cos, this is 4, 4 minus 1 become 3. So 3 pi by 4. Cos 3 pi by 4 is minus 1 by root 2. If you bring cos to the right hand side, it will become cos, 3 pi by 4 equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2. So the principal value of cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2 is 3 pi by 4. And the principal value branch for this cos inverse function will be from pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. 0 to pi. Cos function will be from 0 to pi. Next, we'll go to 10th question. Cosecant inverse of minus root 2. So cosecant inverse, let me take it as y. So y is equal to cosecant inverse of minus root 2. So cosecant, let me bring to the left hand side. So cosecant inverse, cosecant y is equal to minus root 2. So minus sign is there. First let me identify which cosecant function will get root 2. So cos 45 is 1 by root. Sin 40, sin inverse of sin only cosecant. So sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So cosecant 45 is root 2. So 45 means it is nothing but pi by 4. So cosecant pi by 4 is root 2. We have to get negative sign. So take negative sign on both sides. So minus cosecant pi by 4 is equal to cosecant of minus pi by 4. So that we can substitute here. Cosecant of minus pi by 4. So minus cosecant theta equal to cosecant of minus theta. That is equal to minus root 2. So in place of y we can write like this here. So cosecant minus pi by 4 equal to minus root 2. If you bring cosecant to the right hand side, minus pi by 4 equal to cosecant inverse of minus root 2. So this principal value only we have to get. So the principal value is this one. So principal value of cosecant inverse of minus root 2 is minus pi by 4. Even though the whole principal value branch of this cosecant inverse function will be from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. In between, we have to leave a point at 0. Next question. Find the values of the following. Tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of minus 1 by 2 plus the sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So let me take it separately. So let me consider x is equal to tan inverse of 1 and y is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 and z will be sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So let me work out separately. After that we can add all those things. So this will become tan x is equal to 1. So for which tan function we will get 1? For 45 degree. 45 is nothing but pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 is 1. That is nothing but pi by 4 equal to tan inverse of 1. Next one. This is cos y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So at which we will get 1 by 2 for cos 60 degree. It is pi by 3. So cos pi by 3 is equal to cos of, okay, first we'll take cos pi by 3 equal to 1 by 2. We have to get negative sign. So bring negative sign on both sides. So minus cos pi by 3 equal to minus 1 by 2. So minus cos pi by 3 equal to cos of 180 minus theta equal to minus cos theta. So cos of 180 minus theta. Cos of pi minus pi by 3 equal to minus cos pi by 3. So cos of pi minus pi by 3 equal to minus 1 by 2. If we take LCM here, cos of 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 pi by 3 equal to minus 1 by 2. So 2 pi by 3 equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. This is 2 pi by 3. And z will be, let me bring sine to the left hand side. So sine z equal to minus 1 by 2. So for which value we will get 1 by 2 in the sine function? It is sine 30 degree. So sine 30 is nothing but sine pi by 6. So sine pi by 6 equal to 1 by 2. We need to get negative sign. So bring negative sign on both sides. So sine of minus theta equal to minus sine theta. So minus sine theta equal to sine of minus theta we can write. So sine of minus pi by 6. That is equal to minus 1 by 2. So sine, let me bring that side. So minus pi by 6 equal to sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So we have all the values. Tan inverse of 1, cos inverse of minus 1 by 2, sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Every values we have, so that everything we need to add. So only arithmetic operation is pending. So pi by 4 plus 2 pi by 3 and the last one will be minus pi by 6. So at last we need to take LCM. So for 4, 3 and 6 we'll get 12 as the LCM. So 3 pi plus 8 pi minus, here we have to 2 pi. So it will become totally 9 pi. So 9 pi by 12. So 3 will get cancelled. We will get 3 pi by 4 at last.